bin is the most advanced smart waste bin in the world. It can recognize, segregate and compress all kinds of recyclables. This is a solution for offices and public places where it can reduce labor, time and cost of waste management. Documentation is a key part of the sales process. The product needed a high quality and concise manual before launching to the market. The work was challenging because the manual had to be created from the scratch, and Etteplan had to do an extensive research about the product. We also wanted the manual to create a positive user experience during the installation process and usage. After all, no one wants to stand confused in front of the product wondering how it works. We chose Etteplan because of their professional approach and guarantee of the high quality of the end product. We were convinced that the documentation is in good hands, so that we could focus on other product-related topics. We were working quickly and efficiently together with Etteplan people. I'm sure that we've created a manual that was best at this stage, and our customers will have positive experience with our product. We delivered all the information in a very attractive form of brochure and a poster.